registered dietitian with Flik. Welcome to my gluten-free kitchen. Today we'll be making a flourless chocolate cake. But first, let's make sure that we wash our hands, get nice and clean. So head over to the sink, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, and we'll get started. For this recipe, you'll need 4 ounces of fine quality bittersweet chocolate, 1 stick or half a cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, and a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Preheat your oven to 375 and in an 8-inch round baking pan, line the bottom with a wax paper. Next, use a double boiler to melt chocolate with butter, stirring until smooth. Remove top of double boiler from heat and whisk sugar into chocolate mixture. Add eggs and whisk well. Sift a half a cup of cocoa powder over chocolate mixture and whisk until just combined. The last step is to pour the batter into the pan. Use your spatula to make sure it is spread evenly. Bake in the middle of the oven for 25 minutes or until top has formed a thin crust. Dust cake with additional cocoa powder and voila, gluten-free chocolate cake.